box of goodies for y'all today. We're gonna open up some stuff for you guys. Let me just readjust the angle. So as you may all know, in the last vlog, I purchased a new vlogging camera, just so you guys forgot. So the reason why I wanted a new vlogging camera is because I want to vlog everything. I wanted to show you guys everything, but sometimes it makes it hard carrying around, you know, such an expensive rig to go film stuff, right? I don't want to be drawing attention to myself here on the island, you know, because I do go to the beach a lot, I do go swimming a lot, and I do bring my camera equipment to the beach and just leave it out there in the open, right? You know, when you set up your beach towels and everything, you just leave your stuff there. So the last thing I want to do is draw attention to myself by bringing such like expensive gear to the beach, and then, you know, meanwhile I go swimming, and the next thing you know, my camera bag goes missing. That's the reason why I want to get a vlogging camera, because my Osmo Action, where's that Osmo Action? My Osmo Action right here, there are just things missing from this camera, okay? It just has the image sensor size and just like a good autofocusing and the colors. I find the colors here to be all right. I have to do some grading to it, and whenever I use footage from this, I don't grade it, so you'll see like the different cuts that I did to the vlogs early. So I decided to opt for something a little bit better, something that has, you know, all the range that I need to vlog, something that has good autofocusing so I can be a vlogger, and something that is always gonna be with me and not gonna hinder me and not going to be a hassle for me to take out. I'm just a paranoid guy. I just don't want to leave it and, you know, just leave it out in the open like that. So if I were to vlog with something, it has to be something that is inexpensive. New vlogging camera is gonna be in between this camera and this camera right here, and it's just going to be, you know, something fun and something that I can hopefully inspires me to go and film more out, like, you know, film the island for you more and not let it be a hassle, because this is starting to be a hassle for me to just take out, and yeah, I'm just not with it right now. Without further ado, we're going to unpack all these goodies that we got today, and I'll show you what I got. So I got this. So this is another backpack strap clip holder for my Osmo Action. I'm still going to use my Osmo Action to get the interesting POV shots and like some time lapses while I'm still here. The reason why I got this is because in the last video you saw my camera strap, my camera clip to be up here, right? It didn't maneuver all the way, so it was just really hard for me to position that clip anywhere else except for up here near my shoulders. So hopefully these things are supposed to make it so that I can, you know, clip it down here and then rotate my camera if I need to adjust it, because the other one wasn't adjustable. Any POV shots that's coming up in the future, it's gonna look better while I'm here on the island. So I'm excited for that. I am sweating so much, holy shit. I'm sweating. Oh, you can probably see my sweat stains, can you? Can't you? Oh my God. I got this. This is for my iPhone Pro 13. It's a phone case. I didn't use my phone yet because I was waiting for the case to come in. So if you guys want me to make a video about the iPhone Pro 13, let me know in the comments below, because I'm curious to see what you guys think. The reason why I chose this case is because of this kickstand right here. So I don't know if you can see this, but sorry about the mess. It can kick up vertically, which is what I like, because when I'm consuming content on YouTube and I'm eating or watching TikTok, this is a good form to have in, or just like, you know, reading, scrolling on Twitter or something like that, on Instagram. This would be ideal. And also it does this. So whenever I want to make it full screen and watch YouTube videos, I can do that as well. Woo! Look at this. Look at this beauty. Isn't she pretty? Look at that. Look how pretty this thing is. So now I can start using this. Whoa. It's not a bad phone case. I dig it. Okay, what else is there? The last thing from the pouch, diffusion filters. I bought some more Black Pro Mist filters just because I wanted one on my 33mm f1.4. I bought one for the 67mm filter thread. Let's put this on. Do I look pretty now? Do you see a difference? So anyways, the reason why I bought diffusion filters is because I like the look of it. I use it in my photography a lot. I really like the look of the diffusion filters. I really think they look very cinematic. They lift up the shadows a bit, so it gives you a nice, you know, again, cinematic feel and look to it, right? It's not for everybody, but one of the reasons why I think my photos look so good is because I have these diffusion filters. The reason why I bought two is because I don't like using step-up rings. I'd rather have one for each lens. I just fucking hate step-up rings, and it's such a nuisance to have. Like, I have it, and you know, it just gets stuck all the time, and it's hard to like unscrew and everything whenever you try to use on different lenses and stuff. It's just a lot of like annoyance and a lot of time wasted. And for me, the way I shoot is like I like things set up really quick. So if I could pay to have the convenience, I will. We're waiting on this. All right. I made you guys wait long enough for this. So yeah, this is the vlogging camera. When I was researching, there was like 3-4 cameras that I was deciding to get. It was either the new GoPro, the new Osmo Action 2, but then again, I would really run into the same problems that I had with the Osmo 1. It's a small sensor, right? And the other one was, for a vlogging setup, was a Canon G7X. I was entertaining that idea, but I really don't like Canon's cripple hammer on their line, so considered it, but I'm just like, nah, I don't trust Canon as a company. They're always crippling something in their product line. So what I got was a camera that good autofocusing, that has 4K video, so I can vlog, that can do you know, high frame rate, so I can do some slow motion stuff, slow motion B-roll if I wanted to, and also like a good camera so that I can vlog with a flippy screen. And this is what I got. Ta-da! Can you see that? Okay. I switched to Sony. No, I didn't. I'm still shooting Fujifilm, but now I have a Sony in my kit. I have a Sony in the family. This is going to be exciting. You know how many times I always flamed Sony about their color science and stuff. I'm not really too worried about the colors on this because I was watching a lot of videos and all the skin tones in other people's reviews seem to look fine, and it's just like straight out of camera. And I think Sony improved on their color science a lot already, so I am willing to give it another shot. The last time I had a Sony camera was the Sony a7 II. They have progressed along the way, so I've decided to give it another fair chance. One of the reasons why I bought this is because Peter Lindgren, he vlogs with this all the time. He makes it work, and it looks, he makes it work. He made it work. You want to see what else is in the box? It's just, I got a couple of batteries with it. I know, exciting times. I got this too. This is the wide angle adapter so that I can vlog properly with it, because once you turn on the stabilization, the active stabilization, it does crop in a little, leaving you with a tight shot when you try to vlog. So this will hopefully help with that. And I just got a hand grip for the camera. Whoa, this little guy, the Sony ZV-1. Damn, look how sexy that thing looks. And it's freaking small as fuck. This is the Osmo. This is a 500mm water bottle, and this is the Sony. For scale. This is the Samsung, and this is the Sony. Reminds me of my old Ricoh, but a little bit thicker. Another reason why I chose this camera is apparently because of their onboard mic, give you a dead cat. So this is gonna help with the vlogging situation. So I can just talk and be like, hello guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me, Iamtongue. Please like and subscribe. I'm probably gonna get a lot of maybe trolls in the comment section saying that, oh, you know, you switched to Sony. Technically, I didn't switch. I'm still going to use my Fujifilm. I like shooting photos with Fujifilm. I can't take photos with a Sony camera. It just, I tried. Whenever I talk to Lee Zavitz, he's always telling me that they improve the color science, and then whenever I like, you know, download a raw file from one of those bigger YouTubers that shoot with Sony, I'm not impressed with the raw files at all from the latest cameras. The last time I downloaded a raw file was the Sony a7R4, and that wasn't really good. That wasn't good at all. So again, this is all subjective, but hands down, I'm still gonna shoot with Fujifilm, but I'm just going to add more to the kit. And I think that's about it, guys. So thanks so much for tuning in to this, I don't know what the fuck you call this surprise unboxing video, whatever, but I don't know what you call it. Surprise, but if you guys have any questions about anything I bought today, let me know in the comments below. If you guys are curious about this camera, let me know like what kind of questions you have, and I'm gonna try to answer them in like a future video. If you guys want to see me make a review of this camera, also let me know. There you have it. That is it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Tongue, and I'll see you in the next video. Sorry. I love you.